What's going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox the Box. Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be showing you guys how to factory data reset Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. It's just a simple click of a button. YouTube doesn't charge any money for that, but it helps me out a lot, so I really appreciate it. Also, hit the bell button and please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers looking for help with their devices. In order to reset Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, you need to go into Settings, General Management, then you'll see the Reset option at the bottom. Once you click on the Reset option, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 will present all of the reset options you can do. There will be Reset Settings, Reset Network Settings, Reset Accessibility Settings, and Factory Data Reset. First, before doing the factory data reset, which completely wipes the whole tablet off and brings it back to its original state, I suggest you do the reset settings option first. This helps in case your tablet doesn't work the way it used to, or some options are changed and you don't know how to switch them back. Once you click on the reset settings option first, the tablet will restart itself, reset your settings to its factory settings, and hopefully that will fix your issue. Once you've done that and your tablet still doesn't work the way it should work, you should then move to the second way, which is factory data reset. But before you do that, please make sure to back up your tablet, because once you factory reset it, there will be no data left on it and you will lose everything that you ever stored on the tablet. And the reason why I didn't press the factory data reset option is because there's a third way. The third way, which will be used in emergency situation as a last resort. If you cannot access your tablet at all and therefore you don't have access to your settings, is to physically reset your tablet. So what you have to do to factory reset Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 is click on the lock and volume down button simultaneously until the tablet turns itself off. Once the tablet is off, click on the lock button and volume up button and hold it until you see the recovery mode. Once the recovery mode pops out, choose Wipe Data Factory Reset option. But again, remember that if you haven't backed up your tablet before doing factory reset, all of your data will be lost. So make sure your auto backups are always turned on. Otherwise, you will lose everything that has been stored on it in case you need to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. Once you're done with the factory reset, click Reboot System Now. So that way you can go ahead and set up your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 just like it's new out of the box. Thank you very much for watching my video on how to factory data reset Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed it anyway, guys, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers who's looking for help with their devices. And if you're one of those people that like to help others like myself, please subscribe, because even a click of a button can help make a difference in someone's life. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content.